So, you want to make a website. Well, too bad I'm not letting you. No, I kid. No. I just want you to look at this. You see that? Don't worry about it. Okay, so you want to make a website. So, go to Notepad. You're going to type in hypertext markup language. HTML for short. Make sure you put it in the less than. Make sure you put it in the less than, which is that, and the greater than symbols. And you're going to go less than, head, greater than, and you're going to press enter again. You're going to click less than, title, greater than. I'm just going to say less and greater for, the different signs. This one will be less, this one will be greater. So then you're going to click less slash title greater. So there you're going to go less slash head greater. After that you're going to go less body greater, and then you're going to go less slash body greater, and then less slash HTML greater. But bam, there you go. You have the formula, or not the formula, that was stupid of me to say, the code to make your website. So let's go ahead and save it. So save. I'm going to open up this window. Let's go to libraries, documents. And I've already got a file ready to save it in, so I'm just going to type it in here. So I'm going to type in, website.html. Make sure you put in .html. You can put whatever you want the title to be, but I'm going to put it as .html because it needs to be that for it to actually transfer into, the web browser you're using. I'll be using Chrome, so, So we're going to save that, and up here is going to change it to website-notepad. So, okay, let's see. You know what, I think I'm going to zoom in on this so you guys... No, I'll just leave it like this. Okay, so, for the head, you can put whatever you want, but for me right now, I'm just going to put... I don't know, awesomeness. I'm going to make the font a little bit easier for y'all to read. Right here's fine. Okay. So that's my head. That's the heading. It's called awesomeness. For the title, I'm also going to name it awesomeness. I just like keeping the title and the head the same. It's just something I do. I don't know. So I'm going to file, save, and then I'm going to go ahead and go into my documents. Go to the folder I saved it in. Oh, I've got other ones. Cool. And I'm just going to open up a website, and it will show you in the address bar the file you have it saved in, because that's how it all works. All websites come from a file on the internet. But since you're not connecting this website to the internet, it's just going to show the file on your computer. That's why you see all these. So as you can see, it says awesomeness, awesomeness. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this right here, put this right here. Oh, I'm sorry, not that. Actually minimize it. Put this right here. There we go. So that way whatever I type over here, you can see what goes on over here. Okay? Okay. So, awesomeness. So, reason why we typed head here is because this awesomeness is this awesomeness. So if we were to delete that, file, save, the one right here will delete, will go away, as you can see. Awesomeness. minimize, and then file save. If we refresh it, it'll come right back. God damn it. Oy vey. Okay, sorry for that little skip. I had to do something. Oops, wrong one. Okay, so back into this. So yeah, you've officially made your first little website, kind of, I guess. Yeah, I don't really know, but yeah. And what title is basically what shows up in the tab. You know, whenever you open up a new tab, it shows, you know, new tab or whatever. Well, title is what shows up in the tab. So if we were to change this to bacon, it will change it to bacon. We gotta save it, and then it'll see bacon. So yeah, pretty cool. I know it's pretty freaking awesome. Yeah, I'm just gonna save that. I'm pressing Control S and right there. So you see that you've got this, and you're like, well, that really sucks. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here, and I type all of my tags and attributes. Tags are these. Attributes is what I'm about to tell you about. I type all of my tags in, you know, capital, so they can be easy to find. That's what helps me. You can type in lowercase if you want to, but I'm just saying that it's a little bit easier to find your coding. Like if you mess up somewhere, you can find your coding and retype it. So let's say you wanna put awesomeness. You want to put awesomeness right here in the middle of the page. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go less div space align, and then equals quotations, and then I like to put whatever's in quotations lowercase. So we're gonna put center quotations. You don't have to put it in lowercase, but that's what I do. Center, and then close the quotations and close the put a greater than sign. So what that'll do is nothing yet because we didn't save it. There we go. What it'll do is it'll move it right here, straight into the middle of your browser. So when you maximize it, it'll still be in the middle. Minimize it, it'll be in the middle. Yep. So now, after we do that, we have to make sure we put in less than / div greater. Now, what that's telling the browser to do is telling it to stop doing this. To stop doing this. So whatever in between here and here will only be used. So this will only be centered. Anything after this won't be centered. So file save and then refresh. It leaves it the same. So yeah. And as you can see, anything that I type after that, it shouldn't be centered, as you can see. But if I were to type something, you know, something else in there, it'll be centered. See? So yeah, basically all that does is, that's basically a closing tag. All that does is it just tells the browser, hey, look, you need to stop doing what you're doing. Aight. Okay, so you've got that down. Now let's say you want to make this bigger. You want to make the word awesomeness bigger. So we're going to go less than H1. Now, there are different H's. I'll show you down here. There's H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. I can't remember if there's an H7 or not, but I know it goes up to H6. At least I'm pretty sure. I can't remember. But yeah, those are all the different H's, and what those are, they're exclusively for the head tag. This is a tag. This is an attribute. Tag, attribute. A tag is basically just say, hey, look, you're going to do this. Attribute is going to say, hey, you're going to modify the tag. So we're going to type H1 there, and then we're going to close the H1. God damn it. Okay, there we go. We're going to close it by going doot, doot, and no, shit. We're going to go doot, 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 doot. And then we're going to go file, save, refresh, and boom! Look at that. It's like the size of your goddamn thingamajigger. Yeah. No, I don't know where I was going with that. So anyway, any waves. See, I see what I did there. I went, any waves. No. Anyway. So yeah, let's say you did that. Now you want to make it look a little bit different. So we're going to go into font. We're going to look at some different fonts. All right, so let's say let's use Bernard MT. So I'm just going to copy that. Cancel, and then you know, you can do it before the H1 or after the H1. I'm going to do it before so I can show you something. So in between the div align and the H1, you're going to type font face, I believe, equals quotations. I'm going to press Control V. It's going to put in Bernard MT, and I'm going to go close quotations and greater than. I'm going to save that, and I think that's the code. I think that's the right one. No, that was not the right one. So it's not font face, it's font style. I'm sorry. Font style. No, that's not it either. Alright, well, I'll be right back, and I will check what the actual coding is. Jeez, this is really... So yeah, it turns out that I type everything right, but you know what happens? You know what frickin' happens? You know what frickin' happens? Google Chrome is really frickin' stupid. I'm out. Fuck this. Motherfuckers. You know what? No. You know what? You know what you can type as your head? You know what you can fucking type? You know what you can fucking type? You ready? You ready? That's what you can freaking type it. Fuck you, Google. Get your shit straight. No, I'm done. I'm done. No, you know why? You know why I'm done? That's why. You saw that? Why did I just do that? Oh my god. So, yeah. Don't save. Don't save. I'm fucking done. You know what? War does not determine who is right, only who is left. You know why? You know why? Because Google's not left. I'm left. I am left. Look, I'm gonna show you. I am because I'm left. You got that? Wait, I got a little something for y'all. For Google. This is for Google. I got something for Google. Yeah. No, wait. That doesn't even deserve one. It deserves two. Fuck it, he's an alien. He's got like 50. Okay? You see all those goddamn flicks off? Fuck that. I try to teach somebody. You know? To help them out. You know what I get? You know what I get? Nothing. You know what? Google. The only thing you're good at? The only goddamn thing you're good at? It's freaking searching. I'm out. I'm gone. Bye.